age, race, ethnicity, does it have a disadvantage? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Still, it changed a lot in the past 10 years since I've been in the industry. But in the beginning, I don't know how it works in other countries, but in the beginning in this country, I did get quite what you would call racist comments.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm not from this country, and I still have a strange accent. I still get it every single time. Where are you from? I cannot place your accent every single time. And even that, like if you're not quite sensitized to the possibility that it might be traumatic for someone, it can be. They did a test with Asian heritage females and males, that if at a questionnaire, the first question was, what's your gender? And the second question was, what's your ethnicity? If those questions were asked, they did worse on a math test just because those questions were brought into the forefront of their minds. So it's the same thing that I do get asked a lot, where are you from? There's a reason why I've shortened my name to Alex, because it's an ambiguous name. In writing, I could come across as a male. And in the beginning, I felt like that it was an advantage. I felt like that if people don't necessarily understand that this is going to be a female first AD, then I might get more jobs like that. And I felt like I did. 10 years ago, the culture in this industry, especially in commercials, and that changed a lot since then. But the original culture was that I very frequently was the only female on set. I got kicked out of rooms being like, this is not your job, go make teas and coffees, while I was running.
Oh, really?
It's not your circle of influence to be looking at the monitor. That sentiment changed a lot. Nowadays, it's all like, you know what, hold this 20,000 pound camera, because this is the only way that you're going to learn camera assistant, so that changed a lot. But in the beginning, it was palpable that just because I'm not from this country, just because I'm a woman, I'm being treated differently by predominantly white males in their 40s, 50s, which was the majority of the industry that I've met back then.